In Parenzo PC Client, there are three places history graphs can appear. The first place they can appear is in an order screen, where as you click on a product, if you have this history tab enabled, you'll be able to see history for that particular product. You might also have a history graph column showing in an order, and that can be activated by clicking on that tab to bring up the history graph, or alternately, in the contact details section, there is a history graph section in here whereby you can drill down and see the history for various things inside Parenzo. These history graphs, however, start by setting them up properly in the admin program. And to do that, you go System, and then History Graphs, and here you can see I've got one, but if I was to set up a new one, it's a case of right-click and add, type in a code, type in a name for the history graph, then decide whether you want it first or second in the list. Obviously display order changes the display order there, whether it's cumulative results or not, what you want to view by. In this case we're going to view by units, and then you start adding the series of the graph. So for example, our first one is going to be Parenzo orders, and it's going to be for the current year, and it's going to be blue, and I'm going to use Parenzo orders, and I'm probably going to change the name of that to this year Parenzo orders, add another one for last year, Parenzo orders, change it from current year to last year, change the color to an alternate color, let's make it yellow. And then if I wanted to add that versus, say for example, some IMS data, I would then type in last year IMS, change it from current year to last year, change the color to something that I could differentiate from the other two. Might go for a red, change the data type from Parenzo to shipped, then it's got IMS data, and that is a history graph set up for units. So I now have one for units and one for dollars.